Hi everyone, it's Laura Milligan, and I am really excited to share with you a new event that I'm holding this July called Christmas in July. And I was asked to share on Christmas in July at a leadership event that I attended this past weekend. And so I made some what I think are really, really cute projects, and most people there agreed. And so I'm going to be featuring them in my Christmas in July event. It is an all-day event. It will be Saturday, July 10th. We'll start at 9:30. But if you're not local to me, maybe you want to take a road trip and come to my event, or you can get it to go and I will ship it to you. And in addition to all of the products and the supplies, you'll get a PDF tutorial with all the measurements listed for all the projects, as well as a video that I will make that will walk you through each one of the projects. So it'll almost be like you're with us that day, but I guess it's the next best thing. So let me flip my camera down and show you some of what's included. Okay, you're going to get assortment of product in a swag bag, some boxes, a whole pack of designer paper, a full bolt of ribbon, some embellishments, and then, like I said, there's always some surprises. I like to spoil you on that day. And then I want to just give you a little teaser of some of the projects. This, of course, is not all of them, but we always do a framed sample. We'll do cards. We'll do a tag holder. We'll do some candy treats. That was just a little teaser because part of the fun of coming to this event is the surprise to see what we're actually creating that day. It's very exciting. The cost of the event is $85. It includes lunch. It includes it's over $33 in product, all the projects, and the card class. And I am known at my events for my signature cookie, and that will also be included. You don't want to miss that. The PDF tutorial with the videos. You're going to have a lot of product left to make more of these projects. And since you have the PDF with the measurements, that's an easy thing to do. So I hope that you will consider doing this. The day is $85 for everything that I just described, all the projects, the products, your swag bag, lunch. So if you're getting it virtually, your fee is the same. It's also $85 because you won't be getting a lunch. So I will be using whatever what my budget was for lunch will be used to ship your box to your Christmas in July box to you with a priority shipping. So I hope that you will consider joining us. It's always so much fun to stamp together, and I will put a link for registration in the description below this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Registration does end on June 29th or until it fills up, and it very well could fill up. So don't delay if you're interested, and I sure hope you will join me for this really, really fun class. Thank you all so much. Bye-bye.